Today we are looking at the iZEEKER iD240 Wi-Fi dashcam. I have also reviewed another iZEEKER dashcam. If you want to watch that review, I will link it in the iCard and I'll also pin it in the comment section below. If you want to pick this up or know more about it, I will leave a link in the description box below. As always, if you find the video useful, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Some information at the back: quality video resolution, built-in G sensor, loop recording, 12 months warranty. We have an email there as well for support. This is everything that was included inside the box. We get an instruction booklet. We have some QR codes here. These QR codes are for the social channel, warranty, QR code for the app. Some information there. Some on this side. That's to mount on your windscreen and then you can mount the dashcam onto that. If you have a little tape there, you could just use that or you could use this. We have a crowbar for cable management. I've never seen anything like this included before. We get an SD card with this, a 32 GB one. So you put your SD card in that, and this is a USB-A type to get footage from the micro SD card to put it into your computer. Spare tape and a SIM ejector. I call it a SIM ejector tool. That's for reset, but I don't think there's a reset on the dashcam because you control everything within the app. That would go into your cigarette lighter. That's type A, goes in there. It's a decent length cable. I don't know how long it is exactly, but as I mentioned, I'll put the information in the description box below. That's type C, that will fit to the camera. Okay, onto the dashcam. Power on off here, lens. Some branding there. On this side, 32 GB micro SD card, type C port to give power to the camera. Mounting bracket, it's got a sticky tape on there. I have a power bank here with a type C cable connected to it. You need this app here. You could download the app from App Store or you could download it from Google Play. Let's give it some power. The camera is on. Yeah, so it starts recording. If I push that, it should turn it off. Yeah. Add camera. So it's giving us information here how to install the camera. Let's go next. Select camera Wi-Fi and connect. So this will be the hotspot for the camera, so you don't need your Wi-Fi. Let's come up here, iD240. I'll click on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there we are connected. Okay, so we have pause here. If I play, it will start recording again. We could also take a picture as well. Then we have camera file. Have the loop recording album here, snapshot, locked. So if you're involved in an accident, the file will get locked. It won't get overwritten. Parking. For parking, you do need to get a hardwire kit. Looking at the camera settings, we have sound recording, so you could turn that on or off. Speaker volume, you can control that as well. Resolution, by default, it's on 2.5K. Loop recording duration, so by default is 3 minutes. I have left it at 3 minutes. Light, watermark, collision detection. It's on low by default. You could select medium or high if you want. So when it boots up, you can control that as well if you want to turn the voice off or on. So parking mode, you will need a hardwire kit for this, and then you can make changes here if you want. Wi-Fi name, password is 12345678. Micro SD card. I'm not going to format it because I have already done a format on it, but it's important to format the micro SD card. You can factory reset it as well if you want. It's a nice simple app. Okay, so I will show you some footage now of the dash cam. One thing to mention, the quality you guys are going to see will be slightly reduced because when I upload the video to YouTube, they compress the file. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think of the image quality. And as I mentioned before, I have also reviewed another iZEEKER dash cam, and I have reviewed other dash cams as well. I will link them in the iCard and pin them in the comment section below if you want to watch them. Okay, let's have a look at some footage. Good image quality, it gives you full readout of the number plates, picks up everything going on around you. At the time of recording, you could pick this dash cam up from Amazon for £25. It's a steal in my opinion at that price. So let me know in the comment section below what you think of the image quality, and if you want to pick this up or know more about it, I will leave a link in the description box below. I can recommend this dash cam because, as I mentioned, for the price it's a steal. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.